Hello everyone, this is again your Mom Herms for another tutorial video. For this topic, we're going to study one-to-one function. What is one-to-one function? In real life situation, one-to-one function could be explained. Example, SSS member must only have one SSS number, meaning one SSS member could not have more than one SSS numbers. Okay, for the student, every student must only have one LRN. Airport must only have one airport code. And car must only have one plate number. How about in mathematics? The function is one-to-one function if y value is never paired with two different x values, meaning si x dapat isa lang ang kanyang y. One way of determining if the function is a one-to-one function or not is by knowing the range or the y values from their domain or the x values. How is that? Let's try analyzing one function. F of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Is this a one-to-one function? Let's try substituting values of x in our function to find the value of y. Dapat si y hindi mauulit na gamitin as being the partner of our x values here. So, si negative 3, isa-substitute natin dito. Anong magiging sagot kay y? Negative 7 because negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. If x is negative 2, y is negative 5. If x is negative 1, y is negative 3. If x is 0, y is negative 1. If x is 1, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 3. If x is 3, y is 5. Okay, let's try to analyze the values of our y out of the x values here. So, negative 7, negative 5, negative 3, negative 1, 1, 3, 5. Are there any values of y that has been used more than once? None. Therefore, all values are unique, meaning negative 7 has been paired with only negative 3. Same goes with rest of the numbers or the values of y. They are being paired to a unique number of x. Therefore, this is an example of one-to-one function. Another example of a function, f of x is equal to x squared plus 2. Let's try doing the same procedure or process. Let's try to substitute x in our function. If x is negative 3, y is 11. If x is negative 2, y is 6. If x is negative 1, y is 3. If x is 0, y is 2. If x is positive 1, y is 3. If x is positive 2, y is 6. And if x is positive 3, y is 11. Okay, let's try to analyze the values of y out of the values of our x here. 11 and 11. 11 has been used twice. 6 also has been used twice. 3 and 3 also has been used twice. 11 has been paired with two different values of x. 6 has been paired with two different values of x, which are negative 2 and positive 2. Same goes with 3. 3 has been paired with two different values of x, which are negative 1 and positive 1, thus making this not one-to-one function. Another way to determine if a function is a one-to-one function is by using the vertical line test and horizontal line test. All one-to-one functions when graph must satisfy both line tests. How is that? Vertical line test. If each vertical line will intersect the graph at most once, then it is a function. If the vertical line intersects the graph twice, 3 times, 4 times, then it is not a function. The most is once only. to make it a function. How about the horizontal line? Horizontal line test, after the graph has been proven to be a function by the vertical line test, horizontal line test is also used. If it also intersects the graph only once, then the function is a one-to-one function. If it fails in the horizontal line test, then it is not a one-to-one function. Let's show that in the figure. If this is our x and y axis, and this is the line of our function, or the line of or the graph of our function. Let's try doing the horizontal, the vertical line. How many times did it intersect the graph? Once. Another vertical line. How many times did it intersect the graph? Only once. Then it is a function. Is it also a one-to-one function? Let's try doing the horizontal line test. Another horizontal. How many times did it intersect? Once. Another horizontal line. How many times? Once. Therefore, this is a function and it is also a one-to-one function. Another example. Let's say this is the graph of the function. Let's try to analyze if this is really a function. How many times did it intersect the vertical line test? Did it intersect our graph? Once. Therefore, this is a function. Is this also a one-to-one function? How many times will the horizontal line intersect the graph? 1, 2. So, meaning, it is not a one-to-one function because to be considered a one-to-one function, the horizontal line must also intersect our graph only once.